In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recovery email in Gmail. A recovery email is your safety net. If you ever forget your password or get locked out, Google can send you a link to get back in quickly and securely. Here's how to set it up, step by step, with a few tips to make the process smooth. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to protect. In the top right corner, click your profile picture or the colored initial to open the quick menu. Choose Manage your Google account to enter your account settings. Inside your Google account, go to the Personal Info tab. This section controls what's tied to your identity and how Google can reach you. Scroll down to the Contact Info area and select Email. On this page, find the Recovery Email option and click Add Recovery Email. You may be asked to sign in again. This is a normal security check to confirm it's really you. Now type the recovery email address you want to use. Pick an address you can always access and that isn't shared with anyone else. Avoid using an email you might lose access to, and double-check for typos before you continue. After you submit it, Google will send a verification code to that address to confirm you own it. Open a new tab or switch to your recovery inbox and look for an email from Google with the code. If you don't see it right away, refresh the inbox and check your spam or junk folder. When the message arrives, copy the code, go back to your Google account screen, and enter the code into the verification field to confirm. If the code expires, request a new one on the same screen and use the most recent message. Once the code is accepted, your recovery email is officially linked to your Gmail account. From now on, if you need to reset your password or verify unusual activity, Google can contact you at that address. This single step dramatically improves your ability to recover your account quickly and securely. A quick best practice: keep your recovery email updated if you change addresses, and remove any address you no longer use. It's a good idea to review your recovery details periodically so you always have access when you need it. That's it, simple, fast, and essential. Thanks for watching and subscribing to this channel for more videos like these.